Why is Rivian stock going down and what's going on with Rivian stock? Before I share with you my Rivian stock analysis, if you are new to this channel, my name is Linus, and in this channel I share all things related to the stock market, so for both investing and trading. If you want more videos such as this, make sure you subscribe to my channel because each week I release new videos about investing, trading and the stock market. Alright, so let's take a look at Rivian stock chart. So if we take a look on the IPO day over here, Rivian stock opened at a price level of around $106. And in just a few days of its IPO, Rivian stock went up by quite substantially. So if we take our two over here, this was the opening price for Rivian on its IPO day. And we take from here all the way to the high of this day. So this price level of around $179 is at Rivian's all-time high. And from its opening price from here to over here, Rivian stock price increased by around 70%. So that's a very substantial move in just a short period of time. But if you take a look since then, from here, Rivian stock price has just been steadily declining. So from around 179, it decreased all the way to where it currently closed at around $112 as of the filming of this video. So just as quickly as Rivian stock price increased, it also decreased over here. And that is the main reason why I do not buy stocks that just IPO'd, regardless of how strong the company may be in terms of its fundamentals. And let me give you an example to illustrate this point. So if we take a look at Facebook, which is now called Meta Platforms. So if we take a look at Meta Platform and we go back to where it IPO'd at. So if we zoom in a bit over here, Meta Platform encountered a lot of volatility back then. So it opened at a price of around $42 on the 18th of May 2012. And if you fast forward just a couple of weeks and months over here, so this was in September, right? Which was just 4 to 5 months after its IPO. Meta Platforms declined by more than 50%. And that just tells you how volatile a stock can be when it recently IPO'd, regardless whether the company is strong fundamentally or not. So let's say you bought Meta Platform on the day it IPO'd at a price level of around $42. And if we zoom out on the price chart over here, it would have taken you quite a while to break even. So if you take a look at the right side of the chart over here, this was around $42. So at this point over here, which was around September of 2013, from this point all the way to its IPO day, you can see that it would have taken you more than 1.5 years just to break even. So if we go back to Rivian stock over here, I'm not saying that if you bought it on its IPO day over here, or this candlestick, or even this candlestick over here, it would take you more than 1.5 years to break even. The main point is that when a stock IPO, there tends to be a lot of excitement, and the excitement levels at this point tend to be the highest, which is likely to drive prices to unreasonable levels. And buying at an unreasonable price level tend to give us a lower probability of success in the stock market or being profitable. So with that said, let me share my technical analysis of Rivian stock right now. As of the filming of this video, Rivian stock is currently at a price level of around $112. And you can see that at this price level, there's a bit of support for Rivian stock right now. So the support will be at this area over here. So let me draw it over here. So it will be a support area over here. And why is this so? Because you can see for this candlestick over here, there was a clear rejection of prices over here, which tells us that there's some demand over here. Similarly, for this candlestick and this candlestick over here, you see that prices managed to find support at this area over here. So in the short term, Rivian stock is likely to experience some kind of support over here at this price area of around $105 to around $113. So moving forward, at least for the short term, I want to see Rivian stock finding support at this price area over here. And ideally, if it moves back up, I want to see it done on higher volume. So moving forward, if prices increase, I want to see volume pick up on the up days. So those are some of the things that I want to look at if Rivian stock increase in price from here. If Rivian stock break below this price area and break below the support, then the next level of support I'll be taking a look at is this price level of around $95, because this price level of $95 corresponds to the intraday low of this opening day candlestick. So is Rivian stock a buy right now? For me personally, I wouldn't buy Rivian stock right now because firstly, the technicals are not very good. Like I mentioned, the company just IPO'd, so I would want to wait for at least a while before looking to buy the stock. The second reason is because the fundamentals of Rivian stock doesn't align with what I want to look out for in a fundamentally strong company. So for a long-term investment, no. But for a short-term trade, if the technicals line up, I'll consider trading it. So hopefully you have enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you did, smash that like button because it will really help the channel grow and allow me to produce more content such as this. And if you want more weekly stock ideas and tips, you can join my Facebook and Telegram groups. I included the links down in the description below. I'll see you in the other videos to your financial success.